Hello, you wonderful learning individuals. It is a pleasure. How are you all doing today? It is so great to have you. Thank you also so much for pressing the play button. I'm Johnny, your host with HomeCountry Mathematics. It's great to have you. Let's do this. Oh, whoopsie doodles, wrong one. All right, let's go. Thank you for hitting the play button. Check this out. I'm going to call this video, I haven't figured it out yet, but this is titled Task Failed Successfully. Posted to a Facebook group with nobody understanding. Hashtag clueless. Thank you for watching my mathematics videos. You're great at algebra. All right, I am Johnny with HomeCountry Mathematics. Let's fix this. All right, what do they have here? What a mess. What a mess. Task failed successfully. People actually thought that was right. That's crazy. All right, here we go. Here's the problem. 2x. Let me show you the way it's supposed to be done. Must be those grammar people, you know, solving these kind of problems. The grammar people. I'm funny. All right, let's continue on. We have 2x subtract 6 equals 10. Okay. So here, let me fix this, all right? This is Algebra 101. Also, you have to have an understanding how the integer grid kind of works as well. It helps. I'm just going to throw that up there for now, but I'm just going to keep this video short and just show you how it's done. All right, so what happens is, okay, we have a negative 6, okay? Every sign that's in front of a whole number, I always associate it with the whole number, right? So on the right-hand side, okay, yeah, that's it. Let me explain that. Left-hand side equals right-hand side, okay? All right, that's what's happening here. Okay, so throwing that logic out there. The left-hand side has a negative 6. We're looking at the whole numbers right now. We're solving for x, essentially. That's the end goal here. We have a positive 10 on the right-hand side of the equal sign, okay? All right, so we need to separate the whole numbers from the x, right? We need to isolate x. That's the end goal here. So blah, 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 blah. So to do this, we go 2x equals 10. And you might be wondering, whoa, what happened to the negative 6, Bob? Well, what happens to the negative 6 is when you're on the left-hand side of the equal sign, in this case, 6 is a negative. When we move it from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, it changes its sign. The sign now becomes positive. There we go. We have now 2x equals 10 plus 6. Okay, let me get rid of this. 10 plus 6. All right. 2x just going to hang out for now and wait. That's the left-hand side. Let's finish with the right-hand side. Typical BODMAS, PEMDAS, BODMAS stuff here, right? I'm all confident that majority of you know how to add. I believe in you. That is 16. Okay? Now to isolate x, it's as simple as, well, just dividing both sides by 2. We'll just keep it simple. Okay? We need to get rid of the 2. So what we do on the left-hand side, we also need to do on the right-hand side. Okay? Therefore, we're left with, let me cancel this. I'm going to go like this and like this. Showing the work, we have x equals 8. All right, there we go. And dropping the A's. So, instead of task failed successfully, we have task successfully success. See the difference? For those that are confused, I thought this was kind of funny, so this is part of the do's and don'ts. All right, guys and gals, this is the don'ts, okay? Those of you that are learning along with the channel, you're all beautiful, intelligent individuals, right? And this is the do's. All right, hold up. That is it. We are done. I appreciate you watching. I'm going to kind of keep, just keep my thoughts to myself. But yeah, it's great to have you. It's kind of funny. But let's go. Appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Check out the rest of my mathematics video series. It'd be great to have you, to learn along. You're awesome, awesome, and take care for now. I am Johnny. That is it for now. Peace out.